This is a medium SAT geometry problem, and it may seem kind of hairy when you first read it, but you got to remember, it's medium. So let's take a look at it. You got a cylindrical can. It's got fruit in it, it's got syrup in it. The base of the can has an area of 75, the height is 10. We've got 110 of syrup going in. Now pay attention to the question. What's the closest to the total volume of fruit? So always write down what you're looking for. What are you looking for? Fruit. So this problem gives you a description of a figure, but where's the figure? It's not here. You got to draw it. You can be as crappy of a drawer as I am. It doesn't matter. You just need to look at it. This is what a cylindrical can looks like, right? So what's the height? It's 10. That's the height. Now what about this area of the base of the can? Well, what's the base of the can? It's the bottom. And what's the area? Well, it's how much it is, right? It's two-dimensional. So what's that space right there? It's 75. Cool. All right, so that's what's going on here. There must be a formula to figure this out, and there is. But where is it? It's in the formulas box. Evil testing service may be evil, but they do give you a formulas box, so take advantage of it. Which one of these? Well, it's right here. This is what a cylindrical can looks like, right? Cool. So what's the volume? What's the formula? You don't need to memorize it. The volume of a cylindrical can is pi r squared h. H is really easy. It's 10. Pi r squared, I've seen people kind of get on crazy paths for this. What's pi r squared? That should look familiar to you. Is it in the formulas box somewhere, for example? Have you ever seen it? Yeah, man, it's the area of a circle. The base of the can has an area of 75. So what's pi r squared? 75, right? Okay, so the volume of this thing is just 75 times 10, which anyone can do. What is it? 750. Now, I told you evil testing service is evil. Some people are going to be so happy they got here. They're going to go to the answer choices. I'm going to write them down. Anytime I want to cross off answer choices, I write them down. Is there a partial answer here? Look at D. Evil. Because you're not done yet. 750, what is 750? That's the total volume of the can. What's going in the can? It's fruit, and what else? Syrup. How much syrup is going in? 110. Okay, so that's going to be in the can. And what are we going to do with that 110 relative to the 750 to figure out how much fruit there is? Well, we got to kind of get rid of the syrup, right? What's getting rid of in math? It's subtraction. So, I mean, this couldn't be easier. What is it? It's a really ugly number that I've written down. It's 640. And that's the answer. So it wasn't very hairy after all.